Hey, Steven, what was that joke you said about the bull?
Oh, you mean that it was just a bunch of bulls? I hate you right now. Oh, you had to do that, didn't you?
And that was me testing the soundboard.
Jacob has a new play function with his new board that allows
so
him with
much
sound
fun.
effects and stuff like that. So
I have to walk all the way over there to use it, but I mean, I could bring it over, but I just don't want to.
okay,
What is it?
we
can just go forward.
Yeah, it doesn't want to do.
We can just go forward.
Maybe.
We can just go forward, maybe.
Oh, I'm beating you now.
I'm not hearing you
What? You're
or
not-
myself.
Uh-oh.
I'm just hearing the game.
Really?
Are you hearing? I'm not
I'm
hearing you
hearing
at all. Why am I not hearing you?
I don't know. Can you hear me now?
No.
That's strange. We didn't change anything. Do you want to restart the episode?
I don't hear any. Do you hear me?
No, because you're not talking to the microphone.
do. It wasn't like pushed in properly. I was like, what the heck
All
is
right,
going
Jacob,
on?
you need to get your headset fixed.
Yeah, well, no, sorry. I'm sorry about that. I was like, what the heck is going on? Okay, we'll just continue. Oh, wait, is you still going forward? Okay, that's
Yeah,
like,
so
I'm
you
not
need to get
hearing
over here. Come on.
anybody.
Yeah, so apparently Jacob needs to learn that he needs to plug it in. So, all right, so you're going to jump on this thing, and I'm going to move it back and forth
Why do you need to move it?
because it's not. It's too far away for you to actually jump.
I see.
So ready?
Yep. Hello? Hello? Hey, dude, what are you doing? Just wait. Okay, are you gonna do this seriously or not?
I was trying to.
Make me disappointed.
No, I make you disappointed.
Always.
Come on.
You wanna leave it broken?
I can't.
Oh, you can't permanently set time back?
I don't think so.
What is this? Oh, okay.
Set your clone up there and come back.
I see.
Unless there's something else that we.
Hello!
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay. You did it. You jerk.
Oh, wait, come on. I got you up here. Hey, our stuff.
Woo, it's moving.
I'm faster.
I don't think so. I think we're about the same speed.
No, I'm faster than May. Like the. Oh, what? Oh, okay.
There's a glass there.
I did not see. I'm literally a fly. I did not see that. We're finally together.
Are they gonna kiss?
Oh, what?
Uh oh.
don't have a good feeling
We're
about
in
this.
another combat situation.
Neither.
What? Hey, you're supposed to calm me down.
Are you?
What?
This clock is going to slice us into pieces.
Okay, if you can't calm me down, please just don't say anything.
Just don't trip.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, it got me.
Matter, Cody.
Don't die! Don't die! Don't die!
I'm good at this. Roblox has trained me for this. Ugh.
You're doing really well.
No, I'm not.
Hello? Oh. Oh, yeah. Dang it. Oh, how far? Okay, I think it saved us at some. I mean, it didn't. I don't even know. I was doing so good. You had to die at the one part I died at.
Yep.
Well, if I'm gonna die, you're most likely gonna die, so that makes sense. I love the music.
Yeah, definitely sounds like a boss fight is about to go down. Doing a lot better this time.
Can't trick you now. Yeah, sometimes when they're so close, I just do one jump and a dash.
Yeah.
Try and make the difference. You also stay close to the middle, you beat it. Oh, never mind. Don't die. Don't die. What'd I just say?
I tried. I'm sorry.
We have to redo that. We have to redo the whole thing. Why do you die at the one part I die
Why
at?
did you have to die? You know you're better at games like this.
Just stay alive. Oh my gosh, I had to cover for your deaths.
Okay, I did so much better than the last time we went
And
through
then you die right at the one part I die.
Well, that means I'm better than you.
That's not what that means.
Because I
That
learned
means
from
I'm
my
carrying
mistakes.
it so
You
hard.
did not.
I've only been given one chance. You've gotten a million.
Exactly.
Please. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Okay, I'm back. I can carry the team again. I don't want to do this
I don't
anymore.
want to die. I don't want to die.
Come on.
We made it! We made it? Oh my gosh, we made it!
We're alive.
About time.
Get it?
You get it?
It's about time. He even said it.
I was reading his text. What do
Oh.
you mean?
Because you said it before he did.
Yeah, because that was the joke.
Sure.
That literally is the definition of the joke.
And I missed.
Come on, Cody. I'm waiting for you here.
So-
Come on, Cody. I'm literally waiting on you here. Come on, no, come on, get this thing, thank you. I think I need you. Oh my god, I'm
yes,
waiting
you do.
an
You gotta
eternity.
wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Yes, you have to wait for me to come back. Okay. And I'm here. Woo!
That's all I want.
We're gonna call this episode sound effects. Or something like to that effect.
I don't want to know.
Who knows, man? I mean, we did the 2-part sound effects, but then there's this whole content going on
I
over
think
here.
we're gonna have to fight a boss here.
We just fought a boss.
I think we're gonna have to fight. That was the mini boss. Yep.
The bird? He was our friend.
Well, that was a bigger bird. Where's this thing taking us?
Whoa. We going for this clock or what?
Why isn't this bird nice like the other ones?
Entered its nest! Keep your eyes on it!
Where is it? Okay.
So, okay.
That was close!
So, how do we live?
We just survived right now, I think.
Freaking out!
Yeah, I guess we just.
We could go right here.
run away.
We could potentially get up here, but okay.
Oh,
Oh! No, no!
Hurt you!
I'm dead, Cody!
We're not trying to hurt you!
Oh, how do we
Okay. Whew, it's like we're running out of space.
Yeah. This is one magical book.
I'd say.
What did he do?
I smacked the bird with,
Okay.
or forced the bird to run into the sun.
Nice work, Cody.
Oh, nice.
Thanks.
Oh, there they are.
They're fine after all this.
Right? I'm surprised we ended up where our little statuette things ended up being.
Right? You want to hurry up?
No! Never!
I'll wait for you so we can move together. I missed.
Yeah, apparently you did. Oh, so we have to move together anyway. Why did you do that?
I just want to be the center of attention.
Okay, I have a feeling we're gonna fight the bird now. Uh-oh.
Or
Whoa, what the heck was
we're
that?
dodging these things.
Okay.
I'm gonna take advantage of this. Where am I? I died, I guess.
Yeah, you did. What? Okay.
Hold on!
Whoa!
This is rough. Oh, I can't see where I am. I'm trying.
Okay then. That was a little rough.
What is happening?
The clock's breaking. That's what's happening. Okay, don't get hit by debris.
Legit. Oh, I got hit by debris.
What do we do now?
Maybe this is our way out!
You mean to a quick death?
Out. Ah, you're pushing that thing. I can't.
I am not seeing the way
Whoa,
out
whoa,
yet,
whoa.
man.
Whoa. Okay
It
then.
is hard to follow my character.
Faster, please!
We're falling for a long time.
Did you stop time? Are you doing this?
No. I think the book's doing it.
What is happening?
What happened? Did you do that, Cody?
No, the clock tower is messing with me.
Yeah, I'd say the clock tower's messing with us.
What?
Look out for them!
Oh, we get clones that
Strange.
do what we did.
Look out for them!
What? Go for the clocks.
I think we're stuck in a loop! Oh, how do we make it stop?
Break all the clocks! That's our ticket out!
Is it? Okay, yeah.
This game deals with a lot of topics.
Yeah, but this is awesome.
The most intense Pixar movie I've ever seen.
Right? Well. So where's May? Oh, there she is.
What?
Cody?
What's happening? Oh,
Hey! Are you doing this?
Yeah, well, I'm trying my
Ugh.
best. I just don't know how long I can hold it for.
All right, I'll make my way over to the clock's heart.
You missed.
oh, damn it.
Gotta hurry. Hurry.
Where am I? All right, do it again. Oh no, where am I? Shoot. It's weird because when you jump, it doesn't actually show the distance you are, and so it looks like I'm making it, but I'm not even close when I actually do it. Oh, I guess it's advancing me ahead. I guess it realizes the difficulty.
Hurry, May! This is getting tough.
You're doing great, Cody. I'm almost there.
What do I do now?
Right there.
Go for that thing. What are you
No,
doing?
right there.
What the heck are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, that's not it. Okay,
Okay.
can you stay chill for a second? All right, right here. That was just here. No, that's me going backwards, isn't it? All right, do it anyway. Oh, right here? On the right? No, go back. Stuff on the right, maybe?
Okay, that's all the way forward.
Stop, what are you doing? Why are you moving when I'm trying to jump?
Because you're not gonna make it.
Okay, well, let me try first. If you keep moving it before I do it, I can't do anything. Okay, it wants me to be right here, so get for this one. Okay, go. Is it that one I want to be in? Okay. I think you want to keep advancing it. Yeah. Alright, there you go.
Now what are you gonna do? I don't know how I'm gonna get over there, lady.
Can you move?
Oh, okay.
This part.
Triangular's clock.
Run away!
Well, oh.
Holy cow! That's a big explosion!
Oh, I see it. Myself.
Oh, I just jumped into myself.
Different!
Me too! I've had enough of you, Clock!
Yeah, let's do it, mate!
We're turning back time itself
I suppose.
to a simpler time.
To when everything was still... We're fixing time.
Ugh. My eyes. Okay. Are we gonna come out together?
Apparently.
Great teamwork! Your relationship is now more in sync. Can you feel it? Huh? Tell me you feel it. Come on. Tell me you feel it, huh? Huh? Huh?
Creepy.
Feel stuck.
Hey, are you gonna keep up your end of the bargain, Mr. Book of Truth? Uh-huh.
Book of Truth?
Okay, okay. That's the way you want to go? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, then.
Where are we now? In the living room?
Apparently.
Oh, this is like the kid again. Where's the whole clock town in that clock?
Right?
Mom, it's working. Our cuckoo clock is working again.
She's gonna go put it back.
If she breaks her leg, she'll cry, and the tears.
Right? She's not crying anymore, though. We
Yeah.
already tried to do that.
No, I know. I was just making a joke.
Happy. She likes it when things are on time.
Ooh.
Hmm.
All right, so we just showed you how to fix your Cuckoo Clock 5000. Please like and follow and subscribe on our tool fixing. Oh, we're back in the chair.
Oh, no. Back in
Letter
therapy.
piece number one. Numero uno. 3 pieces to go. Are you ready for piece number 2 and lesson number 2?
No.
Good. What else besides love makes couples stay together?
Mortgage.
Kids.
No. Attraction. Ta-da! It pulls people together.
We don't need attraction. We're getting divorced.
Aha! That's because you lost it. But don't worry. I'll help you find attraction again. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding,
Oh, God. Yeah, our attraction is the hatred for you.
Yeah.
ding.
What are you doing?
The enemy of my enemy is my friend, right?
Okay, okay. You're entitled to your own opinion.
Title to your own opinion. Look at the book a little bit more. Now we're in a snow biome.
Woo! Attraction is like a magnet, but you need both poles. North, south, plus, minus, coordinate. Yeah! This magnet will help you rediscover the attraction you once felt for each other. Yeah!
Of
One is
course.
plus, one is minus.
That's not how it works. A magnet always has both poles.
Not these magnets. Come on. Oh. Hey, bang! What the? Hey, where'd he go? What?
Hey, why does this place look so familiar?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Hey, you recognize that mountain?
Yes! This is where we had our first skiing trip together.
Yeah.
Hola, little ones.
Oh my gosh, what a snow globe.
Stuck inside that snow globe we bought there.
Get to the top of the mountain to receive your next piece of the letter.
Oh, that's funny.
What if we freeze to death trying to get there? Use your magnet powers, and the attraction will warm you up, baby. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This book is something else.
Feel the warmth? Kiss it. You like?
What is wrong with that guy?
He's obscene.
I'm with you, May.
So what's our powers?
Yeah.
Fucking slide.
Let's get moving. That'll warm us up.
Yeah, and maybe we can warm up somewhere inside along the way.
Oh, I sure hope so.
Yeah, you're negative, so you push.
Wait. Remind me, how do these magnets work again?
Different colors attract, same colors repel.
This one is yours.
Get on. What are you doing? I need you to get on this one.
Well, yes.
You can move and get on at the same time. If I push it, get on it. Now do your thing.
I can't do anything, Jacob.
Same colors repel.
See, I told you.
Okay, let go.
Help me get to the other side, Cody.
I told you.
No, you wanted me to do something stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Oh, I'm still alive. How did that?
You get back?
I don't think I... Okay, maybe.
You might just be dead. Oh, hey, nice. Now what? Do I go on the other side?
Maybe? Yeah, there we go. Come on.
Different colors attract, same colors repel. Nothing to it. Don't leave me here, Cody. Help me get over.
I did.
Yeah, Cody. But who's doing it?
I think.
I am. I don't know why you were repelling it.
Because I was doing it at first, and you took over. I was literally doing it, and then you just took
No,
over.
I
for
was.
some reason.
I got it first, and you came
I
in.
literally was pressing it.
Okay, I have the pole. You have the. No,
That's not how that works. When one of us does something, it happens. If we both do it, then it doesn't attract. Because look,
okay.
come back over here. Come back over here.
Remember our
Come back
first
over here.
Christmas rose?
Let's legitimately do this.
Okay, you are retract.
Yeah.
Yeah, come back over here.
Okay.
Snuck into the woods,
I'm coming.
cut down
I'd love to see you
ourselves.
pull that
I
down.
thought we'd get caught for sure.
See? Told you.
Uh-huh. I don't know how to fix that.
It's fine. I'm over here.
Oh, you're okay.
The game realizes that I was stuck.
Because you're stupid.
Oh, we gotta.
I told you we have opposite poles. Mine does one.
All right, do yours.
Okay. Oh, we have to cut the tree down. So get on
I
the,
think I need to be on your side, right? Come on. Go on the other side. Right? And then you pull. And back. I gotta say, I'm not feeling that attracted to you right now.
yeah, because you're being difficult.
I think it's you being difficult. So.
No, you're being difficult.
Let go! See, that's being difficult. Look how difficult you're being by still being over there.
Oh, stop! I'm looking for something like I don't want to miss one of those games again.
Oh, those things look different.
Wow! Amazing! Oh, if the attraction is this strong, then the reverse must be true.
So go get on the other pad. There you go.
You get on the other pad. Stop telling me like you know what to do. Like you understand science.
I understand magnetism.
I don't think you do.
I do.
I'm gonna get this one.
Okay, you got to do that one. You have a catapult there?
I set it up or something?
Oh, wait, hold up. I know what
Oh.
I need to do. All right, May, get in the catapult.
Here you go, Cody. Don't you want to get on that?
Yeah, I'm supposed to, but I missed it.
Yes, you did. Get on it. Alright, just let you come by.
Seriously?
Oh, was that me? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that was you.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, right. You should
No,
just come
you're
over.
not sorry because
Yeah, I'm
I
not
did
sorry.
these
I'm
exact
not
things.
sorry.
Yes, yeah, I see. I don't need you.
Takes two of my garbage.
Whoop.
But then what is the opposite?
It retracts.
Oh, yeah, they didn't think of that. They didn't think of that. It glitched.
So where do? Okay, up there.
We have very similar powers this time.
Yes. So we need to retract ourselves up there.
I'm just waiting for when all hell's gonna break loose.
And it will. It will.
I think that's you, right? Yeah. Can you turn it somehow?
Yeah. Where's there it is.
Thanks, Cody.
See, you need me.
Oh, I always needed you. Just so attracted to you right now.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Did I just sling to this?
No, I know what I need to do. I need to flip it again. Try again. There you go.
Look at me waiting for you.
Thank you.
Such a good friend. And you don't even appreciate it.
You're right, I don't.
You're right, I don't. Wonder if we can fall in that thing.
It's a good question.
I'm not gonna find out.
I don't.
Dude, I did back and forth, and you couldn't even.
Yeah, I couldn't figure it out.
Where are you? Oh, you had to do it again?
Yep. I forgot what the button is.
You didn't forget the button.
I forgot the button.
No, you know what button it is. What button have you been pressing?
Why?
Oh, it's RT.
Oh, it's RT.
Yeah.
You sure? Because
Yeah.
I'll probably end up dying again if it's not. There we go. Okay. Whew.
I thought it's RT, but I was pressing on it while you were trying to get on it, so I thought I was messing you up.
Oh, no.
Where now? This thing? I can move this thing. Oh, maybe you need to move that thing.
Same colors repel, different colors attract. I got it.
Why
I got
aren't you able to hold it?
No, it got too far away from me, I think.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what it was. So pull it.
I can't.
Cody, look! A cabin!
Oh, yes! Sweet shelter!
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Grab on. So say. Grab it?
No.
Same objects. Oh, wait. Go get off the bridge. Go
Oh.
turn around. No, go the other way. No, go that way. Go that way.
This way?
No, that way. And now grab onto it.
Oh, okay.
You got to hold it in place so I can grab it and bring it over.
Come on, May. Can't wait to warm up.
It looks familiar.
The little cabin we stayed at.
Now that you mention it.
It's
Is the ghost of Christmas past sitting here waiting for us?
The Book of Christmas Past, you mean?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hey! Check this out! Our old skates here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come
we're
on.
gonna put ice skates on now.
I don't think we've been skating since we were here.
I know. I don't know why. I love skating.
Me too. Oh, look, Cody. Our winter clothes.
Oh,
Here you go.
yes.
Oh, they get to warm up now.
Ugh, stop freezing my ass off.
I like it here. Was it this cozy when we were here?
Yeah, it's just like I remember it. You wanna hang out here for a while?
We should get going.
Yeah, you're right.
I know, come on.
What? Where are you going?
Race you to the bottom.
All right, you're on.
Well, we'll have to see the end of that race
I literally,
next time.
I literally can't believe it's been 30 minutes already.
I know, right?
I wanted to see if we can like go into the house again and like actually walk in. No?
Nope, I don't think so.
Well, all right. Well, I guess yeah, we'll do that race. But I mean, we already know the results. I mean, come on.
It's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me. What was that song? The. Bap, bap, bap. It's gonna be me. What was that song? Well, whatever.
We'll have
Until
to
next time.
learn and figure that one out next time. Bye. See ya.